What's up guys, Max here, and welcome back to another quick and easy video. In our last tutorial, we did this. It's credits that are all tiled out, which is really cool. Basically, we used GridMaker to automatically tile these things out. So they were all on screen like this. We highlight them all. We use our plugin GridMaker, and it tiles them out for us. Really nice. Cool plugin. You can find it on the filmit.io website. But now we want to quickly change all the text with another cool plugin. So typically, you would just jump in and retype stuff, retype this, and that's easy. There's only 4 separate compositions, so in reality, it would be pretty quick to do this. But what if you had like 1,000 different compositions and you needed to change it all at once, and you wanted to use a quicker way to do it? So today we're using TextPilot, which is another one of our plugins. Basically what it does is it scans the entire project. You just hit scan. And from here, you can see that it kind of scans for all of our text. You can see that it has this little like enter symbol right here between directed by and Maxwell Ridgway, my name, because it's letting us know that this is a single text layer and there's an enter. There's like a space down. So if we go into here, go into our comp, you can see this has been spaced down. Now, if I just do this like so, get rid of the enter and hit scan project, it's going to get rid of it and there's no space. We can just do this, scan project. It shows that there's no space. So let's back this up twice. I want to keep the enter there. So scan project and done. Now what we want to do is actually use this tool to change the text. And it's pretty simple, so let's do it. Now, we are making updates to this tool, so it will get better. There's a couple things that it's still figuring out, and with your support, we can issue updates. So once you download the tool, it's a lifetime license. So the best way to do this is go into here, retype whatever text you want, and let's just add 2s to everybody's name. And then hit apply bulk changes. It looks kind of weird because there's one thing you always need to remember with TextPilot is it's reading line by line. Now, if there's a line here, see there is a line that doesn't exist in this entire project. It's just empty, but it thinks it's a line. Let's just back up to space to make sure there's no space under our last line, and then apply bulk changes. As you can see, it added a 2 to every name, but it did not respect the text sizing, which is going to be fixed in our next update. So by the time you're watching this video has already been updated, this tool's already been updated, and it does respect the sizing of text. But that is a fun and quick way to change all of your text inside of a composition. As you can imagine, you could take this, and if it's all like, a story, captions, whatever, you could take all the captions and you can change them into, Spanish or another language very quickly with like a ChatGPT. So really helpful and pretty cool. As always, guys, I'm Max. Thanks for watching this video. Thanks for being a part of the channel. If you're new to the channel, feel free to like and subscribe. Otherwise, I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace. And right before we finish up, I'll plug it one more time. Feel free to check out filmit.io. It is a resource for creatives made by creatives, aka me and a small team of developers.